Oppo A3 Pro, a rugged phone just launched yesterday, world's first fully waterproof phone with IP69, IP68, and IP661 water resistance rating, for years of battery life, super slim in design, and many more. Today I am going to show you unboxing and first impression, water test, drop test of Oppo A3 Pro. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. So this is the box of Oppo A3 Pro 5G phone. Box is in white and gray color. You'll see the phone's branding on top. Inside, the first thing you'll find is the Oppo A3 Pro phone itself, which looks pink. Also included is a 67W power adapter, along with other regular accessories. The phone features a 6.7-inch curved OLED display. It has received high ratings, including an IP69 rating, making it the world's first phone to achieve this level of water and dust resistance. Besides the IP69 rating, the Oppo A3 Pro 5G also boasts IP68 and IP661 ratings for water and dust resistance. Let's put it to the test. Firstly, the phone comes with crystal shield glass protection and 360-degree drop resistance, thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the front. It also features a diamond architecture, making it super waterproof, super anti-fall, and super durable. Additionally, the back of the phone has leather at the left and right corners. Let's see how this energetic phone performs in our test. The Oppo A3 Pro has an IP69 rating, meaning it can handle everyday use even in rainy conditions. But for a waterproof test, we'll submerge it in a water tank for 30 minutes, checking every 10 minutes to see if it still works. After the first 10 minutes, the screen is still working, though the touch is a bit sluggish. Another 10 minutes pass, and the phone is still functioning. Now, for the final 10 minutes. After the full 30 minutes, we turn it on and swipe, and it works perfectly. Now, if water gets into the microphone or charging port, it still holds up well even against fast-flowing water. Plus, Oppo offers an impressive warranty package, a 4-year battery warranty, 1-year water protection, and it's one of the rare phones offering a 1-year water protection warranty. Not only that, but it also includes first-year broken screen protection. This demonstrates Oppo's confidence in their product, as such comprehensive warranties are not common in the market. The Oppo A3 Pro shares the same screen protection as Oppo's flagship phone, the Oppo Find X7 Gorilla Glass Victus 2. We'll start with dropping it from the table. The phone remains safe, including its corners. Now, let's talk about the screen. It's still working fine, so the phone passes both the water and drop tests with flying colors. The Oppo A3 Pro features an anti-drop diamond architecture, impact beam design in its 4 corners, and shock absorption design inside. This means it's equipped with better components all around. At the end of the video, we're testing the strength of this phone in a unique way. We place it under a Tesla Model 3 car and hear a crisp sound. Afterward, we inspect the phone. On the back, we see the imprint of the wheel, but there's no crack or scratch. Similarly, the front screen shows no cracks, and it's still functioning. You might have thought you saw scratches or cracks, but we clean it off, and the screen shines like new. By now, you must have realized why Oppo is so confident in its build quality and why it offers so many warranties. Oppo has truly delivered an outstanding phone this time. In this video, we focused on unboxing and conducting drop and water tests. But stay tuned for the detailed review video, where I'll cover performance, gaming, camera, and battery tests. I'll be uploading it soon, so be sure to subscribe and join our tech team to watch the full review video first. So what you guys think about it, tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.